Hi students, welcome back to the physics class. I hope you all understood the topics that we already learned in our previous video from our first chapter, Forces in Fluids. And don't forget to read the textbook also. Today we are going to learn about another topic from the first chapter called capillarity. So let's see what is capillarity. Capillarity is the rise or depression of a liquid in a narrow tube or a minute hole. Okay, and here you can see a picture of capillary tube. It is like a glass rod with two openings in the two ends. Okay, it is like a narrow tube. Okay, minute hole means small holes or pores in clothes, soil, etc. Capillarity is of two types, capillary rise and capillary depression. So let's see what is capillary rise and depression. Here you can see two boiling tubes, one containing water and the other with mercury. The water always rises against gravitation and mercury always shows depression. Depression means falling. Okay, and when water rises against gravitation, it represents the shape of a concave lens, and in mercury it represents the shape of a convex lens. Okay. Then the cause of capillarity. The cause of capillarity is surface tension, and we already know what is surface tension. The molecules on the surface of water is stretched like an elastic membrane. Okay, due to the mutual force of attraction, that is surface tension. And here are some examples for surface tension from our daily life. The next one is about coercive force and adhesive force. One of the example of coercive force is the causes the formation of water drops when it rains, and for adhesion causes the drops to cling to other surface, that is the molecules of two drops of the same substances together. Okay, so let's see what is coercive force. The attraction between the molecules of same type is called coercive force, like water molecules. Adhesive force is the force of attraction between molecules of different types of substances, like glass and water molecule. Okay, it shows a rise at the edge. Okay, while we taking water on a glass. So what is adhesion? The attraction between molecules of a different substance. Cohesion means the attraction between molecules of the same substance. Okay, so let's see the differences between coercive force and adhesive force. In coercive force it is intermolecular attraction. Okay, and in adhesive force intramolecular attraction happens between two substances, that is the intramolecular. Intermolecular means the attraction between molecules of same substance. Capillary depression will take place in cohesion and capillary rise will take place in adhesion. Okay, then the formation of water droplets on the surface tension of a liquid is due to cohesion. The spreading of a liquid on a solid surface is due to adhesion. That is, surface tension is responsible for cohesion and the spreading of liquid on any of the surface is due to adhesive force. Okay. Cause of capillary rise and depression. Capillary rise occurs when adhesive force is greater than coercive force. Capillary depression causes when coercive force is greater than adhesive force. Okay. So, capillary rise is due to adhesive force and capillary depression is due to coercive force. So, next one is a question. Why does the capillary rise increases when the diameter of the tube decreases? Okay. Capillary rise increases with the decrease in the diameter. Okay. Here you can see the figure of capillarity tubes having different diameters, and the tube having smaller diameter, we can see that the water rises greater comparing with the other two capillary tubes. Okay. So, when the diameter of the tube decreases, the weight of the liquid it can contain also decreases. The weight of the liquid in the tube is supported by adhesive force. This force depends upon the liquid and the nature of the surface it comes into contact with. The adhesive force with the tube is greater than the coercive force of the liquid. So, the liquid is able to rise. The capillary rise increases with decrease in diameter. Okay. That is, when the diameter of the minute holes or tube changes, the capillary rise also changes according to this. This is the reason for the farmers who plows the land before summer season. When ploughing the land before summer season, it increases the diameter of the pores between the soil and decreases the rise of water. It preserves the underground water. I hope you all understood the topic. If you have any doubts related with this, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Thank you. See you in the next class.